Hello viewers, my dear students, those who are watching my video this time, welcome to my videos. I am Mohammad Azharul Islam Jewel, Senior Teacher English, based at Jamiruddin Sarkar Collegiate Institute. I am going to discuss about an important topics, and this is the students for class 10, those who are now in class 10 2025, and they are going to sit for the SSC examination 2026, and today I am going to discuss about this question paper. Model questions paper, English first paper for class 10 2025, those who are students of 2025, and they are the SSC examination for 2026. Now let's see the syllabus and the question paper I am going to discuss. The questions paper for English first paper and the syllabus of the question provided by NCTB, and the distribution you can see here the distribution mark for English first paper part A, reading test 70 marks. There will be 9 question here. There are 9 question here, and total marks reading test 70 marks. Number 1, MCQ from scene comprehension. It comes from the scene textbook, from the textbook, and you have to 1, 2, 3. 1, MCQ, scene comprehension. 2, answering questions, comprehensive questions, that means comprehensive questions, gap filling. And then number 4, information transfer. It is from the unseen passages out of English for today, and this question has 5 marks. Then writing summary, and then matching. After then rearranging sentences, there will be 8 sentences, and students are asked to rearrange them in a sequence and reordering them. And 9, answer questions from poems. This is also an unseen poem, and then 9, answer questions from the stories, from any stories, and it will be either any of the poems here. And part 2B, writing 30 marks, writing test 30 marks, completing story 15 marks, and writing dialogue 15 marks, total 100 marks. This is the marks of English first paper for class 10. Now we will watch the question paper and the items. So let's see. and the examination time is 3 hours and full marks 100. Parts A, reading test 70 marks. And the scene comprehension from the English for today for class 10, and this is the scene comprehension. And from this scene comprehension, after reading this scene comprehension silently, students will be asked to answer the 3 questions 1 to 3. Number 1, choose the best answer from the alternative multiple choice question. There will be 7 multiple choice questions. Each of them has 4 multiple answers and 4 options. This questions, the number 1 question had 7 marks. Each item for 1 mark. Then number 2, answering the questions that follow from the reading text and scene passages. From this scene passages, above scene passages, students are asked to answer the 5 questions, and this is at the comprehensive questions. So, and the mark is 10. So, students must write the answers for 10 marks. Then number 3, fill in the gaps with suitable word or words for 5 marks. And this is the gap filling passage text, and the students try to answer and guess the words from the from the text, above text, and they will guess the answer, uh, the suitable answer. So this is this for the 5 marks. And there will be another passage, and this comes from unseen. This is called unseen passage, and students are asked to answer the question number 4 and 5 from this text. Number 4, there will be 2 columns here, and every 2 columns and number in the left, the column A, and the right side column B. So students are asked to match the word and sentence words from their definition, and so this questions for 5 marks. Then from the above passage, students are asked to write a summary, and the next number 6 question, here are the 3 columns. There will be 3 columns A, B, C, and every columns has the part of a sentence. So the sentence parts, students are asked to join the sentence parts according to the sequence and the full meaning. So A, B, C, students are asked to write 5 complete sentences from this table. And question number 7, there will be a text and all the sentences are in so students are asked to rearrange them in a correct order. This sentence is not correctly here. These sentences are in wrong order, so students are asked to rearrange them in correct order, and for 8 marks. And question number 8, there will be a poem from unseen, anywhere from, not from the books. It is unseen, also unseen. So students are asked to write the are asked to read or recite the poem silently and then try to guess the answer. Comprehensive questions, and comprehensive answer, and there will be 5 comprehensive questions here, and and all the questions for 10 marks. So students are asked to answer the questions from comprehensive power. And number B, write a summary of the poem knowledge in above the following. Above the poem, students are asked to write a summary of the poem, or this can be alternatives to, and this will depend on the question maker. So this will be alternative also. And part B, writing test for 30 marks. So here students are asked to write a story, incomplete story, for 15 marks. And the story here is an example of a story, and students are asked to complete the story from their imagination. After reading the incomplete story, they will finish it in a complete one paragraph. So this is for the 15 marks. And last 10, number 10, there will be a direction to make a dialogue, and the dialogue is for 15 marks, and students are asked to make a dialogue from the situation given in the instruction. So this is for 15 marks. And